Hi guys, Talk Back Tuesday with me, Fancy Nancy, and I am here to ask you if you feel like you would use a laundry chute in your home. So in this fabulous custom home with Jane Anthony, they have laundry chutes in every single room. So you open it, it slides open, and you put your clothes in, and it kind of like vacuum sucks it up, and then it ends up in the laundry room in a basket. Is this something that you would use, yes or no, or do you prefer a traditional laundry hamper in your closet or something like that? So comment below and let me know what you think. I personally love it. I think it's so bougie, but comment below and let me know, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.